Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kemi and we are going to be looking at the baby face facial cream today. So this is called the Clear Face to Face Baby Face Facial Cream Gold. It has four types. So this is the gold, and then this is the one that comes in a pink package, and then this is the pure organic, and this one is also a comes without any name written into it. It could just say face cream, but this is new. This is the first time I'm actually selling this particular one. So we're going to start from the gold. The gold one is very good. It's effective. The gold one and the pink one, I believe they do exactly the same thing because the ingredient is so similar. So they have the same ingredient, the gold and the pink one, but let's start with the gold one. So this one is going to lighten the skin and reduce spots. It is going to prevent the formulation of new dark spot. Amazing. It is also going to reduce skin blemishes. It is going to make your skin feel supple. It's going to moisturize, clear old and new pimples, and even stop it from forming. How amazing is that? So this one is very good, especially when you have issues with your skin. You want something that will fade dark spots fast, then this is something that you should go for. And then let's look at the next one, which is this one in the pink packet. This one is active against dark spots and also clears dark spots and scars. The gold one says results within 5 days, while this one says 7 days. Well, you know what, just give it your time. It's not going to be 5 days or 7 days. So this one lightens and reduces dark spots, prevents the formulation of new dark spots. It also reduces skin blemishes. It is good for skin suppleness and moisturizes the skin. When it comes to moisturizing the skin, it will help with dry skin. Then this is something that you should get because this one is more moisturizing, while this one also moisturizes as well. So the next one is this pure organic. This is also very good. This is made with natural ingredients. I'm going to just tell you all the ingredients together at the end. And what this one does is to lighten and reduce dark spots, prevent the formulation of new dark spots, clear blemishes, make skin supple and moisturize. So they all have the same effect. That's why I keep telling people when they ask me, oh, which one is the strongest, they all do exactly the same thing. The only thing that I can say is different is the ingredients. Some of them have an extra added ingredient than the other. That's the only difference. They all do exactly the same thing based on what is written on the packet. Now the fourth one is this one that has like a black and white kind of box, and this one is 7 days as well, and it does exactly the same thing. Effective. It is effective for dark spots, hyperpigmentation, age spots, sunburn, acne scar, pimples, dark under eye. So if you are somebody that have issues around your under eye is dark, this is the only one that stated that it looks after your under eye. So get this one. It is new, like I said. I just started selling it. Now all these products have exactly the same ingredients. Like the ingredients listed are exactly the same, and I'll tell you which one is different. Have the same ingredients, which are glutathione, vitamin C and E, carrot oil extract, and SPF 15 for both. While this one has a slight difference in the ingredient, it has exactly the same thing but had an added extract of a natural extract, so which is what makes it the organic. And then this new one is also different in terms of the ingredient. This one has carrot oil, licorice, aloe, arbutin, vitamin C, vitamin A, and ginseng. This is good. They are all very good, and they are all been giving good results. These are face cream that when people buy, they don't buy one. I've noticed that on my website people will buy 2 or 3 at once. I don't understand, so it must be giving them good results. These face creams are very effective. I have tried this one before, and I really love how gentle and subtle it is on my skin, because when it comes to face cream, I'm not really somebody that likes to bleach my face, because my face cream works on my face within 3 days. I'll see results. So I'm very careful what face cream I've used, but I've used this one and it's also very good. I didn't finish it though because it was doing too much for me, but it's very good, very effective, gives good results, gives amazing, flawless, beautiful results. So as we're entering towards the end of the year, you are looking for a face cream that will make your face to glow, make you stand out, make people to see you and say, your face is glowing. Then you can try any of these face cream. They're very, very effective. If you are interested in buying, I sell them. I sell the original, so you can go to my website www.forthisbeauty.com. if you are in Nigeria, in Ibadan to be precise, you can visit our walk-in store. We have a spa in Ibadan, so you can come and pamper your skin, look after your skin, do your spa session. You can do your makeup, you can do your hair, everything. We cover everything. Nails, teeth whitening, we cover everything at the Fortis Beauty up in Ibadan. So you can also pick up any of this face cream there. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm waiting for you in the comment section to tell me your experience about these face creams, if you have used them before, or if you are looking into using any of them and you need to ask a specific question that I have not answered, then please come to my comment section and let's talk about it. Until next time, guys, stay blessed.